Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is in Worth It. So for today's episode, we have this cool, amazing product right here. As you can see, basically what this is the TrueAir Hamilton Beach Air Purifier that you can use to absorb any smoke or dust. Especially if you guys are living somewhere where there's a wire fire nearby, then this is actually pretty useful. So basically, you can actually have it like set up like this way if you guys want to, or you guys can turn it this way if you guys want to. You guys take a look right here, there's our switch. So there's the off, there's a whisper clean, which is the low mode, medium, and quick clean, which is the high mode right here. There's a little button right here for you guys to press it so you can open it if you guys need to take off the filter and place the inside. And then we have the cable all plugged in already right here as you can see. So they use a US plug to charge it up and power it on. And this is what the bottom of the stand looks like, you can see. So it has the anti-grip material on the bottom, so that way it doesn't move around. You guys have it all set up. And then same thing on this side as well, as you can see. So this is the side that I had it where it was on the flat surface. So it has anti-slip material on this side as well, so that way it won't be moving around or falls off or gets scratched or anything when you guys actually use the product. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Let's actually power it on and see what it actually sounds like and how to actually use it. So basically all you guys want to do is just turn this little knob right here to whatever you guys want to use it. So I'll start from the first one, then move to the second one, and then move to the third one. That way you guys can get an idea what it actually sounds like and get an idea of what each one can do. Alright, so we turn on the first one first. So this is the first mode, which is the whisper mode. This is the medium mode. And this is the high quick cleaning mode. So basically how it works is that it absorbs all like the odor through the front part right here, and it comes out the clean air from this part right here. Yeah, as you can see, so this is where the clean air will actually come out from. You guys can hear it's actually pretty loud because the air is directly coming from out here after it absorbed the dust through this part right here. So this is the loudest one, or the quick cleaning option. This is medium, and this is low, and then turns off. So really easy and really simple to use. So you guys want to remove the filter and replace it, all you guys have to do is press the button I just showed you guys and stick it out like that. And then that's what the filter inside looks like. So you guys want to take this part out right here, just like that, and then just actually remove this part right here, just like this, really easily. You guys can see. You guys can see that's actually really dusty, really dirty, because I've actually been using this for quite some time, especially with the whole wire fire thing happening. So you guys can definitely see that actually does work. Alright, so basically the filter that you can see right here is permanent, so you guys don't actually need to replace it. You guys can use the same filter and just use a vacuum to clean it up and vacuum the dust. So you guys can see this is basically what the inside looks like in terms of the component and everything in here. So just like that. And if you guys notice, there's two of these. So there's one right here and then this one right here that I just removed. So when you guys are done putting back in, just simply put it back in like this. And then you guys are all set. And then put back the actual lid itself right here, or the cover. Alright, and then you guys are all set. So definitely really easy to use and definitely really easy to take care of and everything, you guys can see. So now that we did a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, like I said, I actually been using this for quite some time, and you can see that the inside is really dusty and really smoky or whatever. All the particles and everything are inside, so you can see that the product itself does work. But pretty much long story short, yes, this is worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have no use one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have